Apple has released the iOS 18.2 developer beta that brings the missing features like image playground, Genmoji, visual intelligence, and more. In this guide, I will show you how to install iOS 18.2 developer beta so you can test all these features right now. If you are not already running the iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone, you have to create a developer account first. If you have already done so, you can skip this step. Launch Safari on your iPhone and visit developer.apple.com. You can find its link in the video description. Tap the menu button in the top left corner and use the account option to log in with your account details. If you're signing in for the first time, you will get a splash screen claiming the developer account. Tap on the continue button to proceed. Scroll down the legal document and check the confirmation box. Now tap the submit button. Finally, tap the Enroll Today button to register as a developer. You can now sign out of Apple Developers website. Now that you have created a developer account, follow the steps to install iOS 18.2 developer beta on your iPhone. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General Settings, tap on Software Update and then Beta Updates. Set it to iOS 18 developer beta and wait for a few minutes. If you see any pending iOS 18.1 developer beta update, install it first. Again, go to Settings, General, Software Update and you should see an iOS 18.2 developer beta option at the bottom. Tap on it and follow the on-screen prompt to install it. Remember that if you reside outside US, you have to set your region and language to English United States to get Apple Intelligence features on your iPhone. I have covered all this in previous video which you can watch by clicking on the I button or the link in the video description. Also, these features are only available for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 series devices. If you have any other iPhone model, you won't be able to use these features. That about does it for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on our coverage of iOS 18.2 features including image playground, visual intelligence and more. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.